What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you are a new sub or just stumbled upon this video. Today I got something a little different, not from Soul Supremacy. This is from a company called Full Size Run. Had the homie reached out to me on Instagram, told me he has mystery boxes, he has his own channel. I will link all that stuff down below. His name is Frank. He seemed like a real cool dude. Reached out to me, said they got mystery boxes. I said I'm with it. You know what I mean? I'm trying to support. So seemed like a real genuine, nice guy. Has a dope store, dope shop. I seen his videos on YouTube and everything like that. So I was like, I give it a shot. You know what I mean? Very quick shipping on this box, man. I think I ordered this box on a Sunday and it made it here in like 3 days. So that's way better than waiting a week for UPS. Medium-sized box. I have no idea what to expect. I don't know if I told y'all the price, but this box cost me $569. It's like $45 for the shipping, $500 for the box, and paid a little bit of taxes, I guess, for it. So a total of, we just say like $570, $569, $570. I can't remember exactly, but I'm excited, man. Little bitty box, man. So hopefully we got something nice, man. This is my first time ever buying anything from him, so we'll see, man. Like I said, he seemed like a real cool cat. Full Size Run, and I want to say it's in New Jersey, man. Y'all gonna have to excuse me. I'm not 100% sure, but I want to say it's in New Jersey. Matter of fact, yeah, New Jersey. Full Size Run. Just look at the label, and I don't know why I didn't do that first, but we in here, man. We got like a medium-sized box. And $570. Let's see what we got. I got a few brown boxes right off top. No shoes without boxes. Oh, I'm lying. There is a pair of shoes without boxes. I'm shooting this from the iPhone too. My camera's been tripping on me, so that's why. That's another reason why I haven't uploaded nothing in a while. But first off, I got a size 13 Air Jordan 9 Retro Low. Box in good shape. We got the mangoes. Mango 9 lows, not DS. Size 13, like I said. Check those out. Pre-owned. Very lightly worn. Boom. I've had these before. I know some people was rocking them all summer, man. They like these bright colors in the summertime. These actually have a Nike receipt in the box. So, I don't know why I'm waving. They don't have my address on it, but Nike receipt in the box. So that's good. All right. So, normally I do the loose shoes first. Look like coming through in some merch. I'll open that up here in a second. Show y'all these loosies. We got some size 11 neutral gray 13s. Do have some creases in the toe cap. Good pair of beaters, man. Probably make somebody a good restoration project. These are one of my favorite 13s. These joints came out when I was in high school, so a lot of shoes that came out back when I couldn't get them, and I see them nowadays. If I like them, I cop them, and it's just from a nostalgia value to me, man. These are a dope 13. It's very simple, very clean colorway. I'm not a fan of the lace swap, whoever did that lace swap, but to each his own, man. Somebody was digging it, so I ain't mad at them. Look like they got some shoe trees in them, but size 11 on those. All right, it looks like I only got 3 pair left in this box. Let me show y'all this right here. Homie threw in. Oh snap, we got some stickers. Full Size Run, man. Y'all go holler at them, man. Tell them TGOTSOLE sent you from New Jersey. Put that off here. I don't want my sticker getting bent up. Look like he threw in me a shirt. I'm not sure if he watches the videos, and I'm pretty sure he do. That's probably how he found me, but Full Size Run t-shirt, my size, extra large. Dope, man. I'm not mad at it. I like the design of the shoelace going through it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'll rock that. Black and white, simple to match. I'm gonna save these 2 brown boxes and get this. I thought it was a Kobe. We got another sticker down here. All right, we got the All-Star LeBron Elevens. I can't remember the name of these. Something about Gators. These look to be dead stock. Just checking out the bottom of them. I'm waving the shoe. You guys can't even see it, but these look to be dead stock. Have all the laces and all that stuff in the box. All-Star LeBrons with the extra laces in there. I'm shooting off this iPhone, so I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking behind it at a mirror, so if it look like I'm looking off, I probably am. Those are size 11 and a half. All right, like I said, another sticker he threw in. Boom. I put those on my little gym bottles or something like that. I love stickers, man. I put them on laptops and gym bottles, and I got a flat screen in my man cave. I just put stickers all around it. So I got a 350 box Boost, size 9, and yeah. And check that out. This dude, man, like I said, he got a store. I've seen his videos on YouTube, and his store looks legit. I'm talking about it look clean. So he was trying to sell these in the store, I guess, and then threw them in a box. We got the Belugas. Beluga. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm saying Beluga. Blue tints. I'm saying Beluga because I just got some Belugas. Beluga on my mind. My bad, y'all. Size 9 on the blue tints, man. Check these out. These will go really fast. These are very clean. Size 9. They do have the tags and all that extra stuff in the box. No receipt though, but it's all good. These they look very clean. I actually have a pair of these already in hand that I got for sale. But these are clean, man. Dope. One of my favorite V2s. Size 9 on those with the box. I have to put it back together later. Last up, we got another brown box special. Size 8.5, like another V2. Going off the color scheme, I think I know what they are. I am correct. We have a zebra. What size did I say these were? These are size 8.5. So the last zebras I got was an 8.5 too. I had got from Soul a couple boxes ago. I think those were dead stock. These are not dead stock, but as you can see, the Boost is clean. This is probably my favorite V2, man. If I had to pick a V2 to rock, these would be it. You know what I mean? I don't know. These are dope to me. I like them. Cool. Size 8.5 with the receipt on these. Whoever had them took good care of them. They folded up the paper and everything in the box. So that's gonna do it, man, for this box, man. Again, 570 bucks, full size run out New Jersey. Frankie, man, I appreciate you linking up with me, telling me about your shop, and letting me know about your mystery boxes. Seemed like a good person, so I was happy to invest and take a chance. And look like it paid off, man. This box looks really, really well. I might mess around and cop another one before I even upload this video, because I don't want you to sell out before I can get another box. So again, thank you for that, man. Very fast shipping. You guys should go definitely check them out. Hit him up on Instagram, or probably go to his website. I'll try to link all that stuff down below in the description if you guys are interested in getting your own mystery box. I know a lot of y'all want Soul Supremacy boxes, but that membership, it's not opening up. I don't see it opening up no time soon. They haven't said anything about it. And that's another thing about this guy. He has a Beater Box membership, so I guess he's just all over. He's doing it on a higher scale. But for you guys who can't, get that membership and you want to get a mystery box, definitely suggest this cat right here, man. I've talked to him for a couple of weeks now before I even invested, and real cool dude, real chill. So I I like people like that, man. No drama, stress free, just chill and happy, man. Y'all know me. But with that being said, let me know down below what y'all think. I want y'all opinion on this box. $570. I'm pretty sure the Yeezys alone is gonna cover that. Everything else is just extra. So very, very happy with it. Thank you again. Can't say that enough. All his information be down below. Make sure y'all hit that sub button if you're not. Follow me everywhere at TGOTSOLE. I'm out. Peace.